Hi, my name is Brother Nature, and welcome to another root crunching installation of TMPF Species Smackdown. We have an exciting matchup for you today between a Nevada native and invasive species. Let's go ringside to meet the contenders.
Introducing first, fighting out of the native corner, standing up to 10 feet tall with a bushy structure. It has bright green, round, and narrow leaves. It grows small green flowers and small green to reddish fruits. Both leaves and stems boast varying toxicities to livestock, and its fruits serve as a food source for small mammals and birds. Native to the western U.S., please welcome Sarcobatus, black greasewood, formiculatus. And introducing next, fighting out of the invasive corner, a deciduous tree with an average height of 30 feet and lance-shaped leaves with a pale green and silvery hair upper leaf and scaly white lower leaf. Its flowers are yellow and densely clustered. The fruits are small, olive-like, and yellow to red-brown in color. First introduced to the U.S. as an ornamental tree, Elagonus Russian olive, Angustifolia.
Okay, I want a nice clean fight here. No chainsaw use, no use of biological controls, and especially no restoration crews. I'm talking to you, Greasewood. Okay, Greasewood, are you ready? Russian Olive, are you ready? Let's fight!
Round 1. Both black greasewood and Russian olive utilize their thorns to thrash out at each other. Russian olive's larger structure and equal tolerance drought and sodic and saline soils overtakes black greasewood. Round 2. Black greasewood tries to establish new habitat, but Russian olive counters with great seed production, knocking back greasewood. Russian olive hits hard, boasting its greater ability to disperse seeds via birds, large and small mammals. And greasewood goes down. Russian olive has knocked the black greasewood out. Wow, folks. Looks like the invasive Russian olive is going to take the win today.
Thank you for tuning into another episode of TMPF's Species Smackdown. Make sure to properly identify species before removal and always handle pesticides according to their labels. Check out the links for more information on both species and make sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook for updates and more.